hi to the Mix app and to all those who are now handling the Mix VJ Search 2010. My name is Rhea Mendoza, and here is my video clip that will be answering the question why I deserve to be the next Mix VJ. Well, first of all, I'm very talented. Kaya kong sumayaw, kaya kong umarte, ng bahagyang nanunod, pwede-pwede. Kaya ko rin kayo kumanta, kahit hindi katotohan na katulad ni Sarah Helena, pero I can sing, pag nasa banyo rin, kaya akong kumanta, ang bilang ng 1 to 10, ang dali-dali na. Isa pa akong talentadong Pinoy, pwede sumali sa Pilipinas Got More Talent. Bongga, diba? Well, kidding aside, I'm also very witty, and I have a very pleasing personality. I can mingle well with different kinds of people and, please them. Pleasing nga eh, ano ba? So, another quality that I have is that I'm very energetic and fun to be with. I believe that if you are a VJ, that's a very good quality. That you need that quality because, even though being a VJ is a very tiring job, you need to have all the energy to present yourself in the camera and entertain the viewers, diba? So for me, I think that's one of the best qualities that I have, that even though I feel tired already, kaya kong mag-present siya, tumanggi, sige, pwede. I still have all those energy to, entertain all the viewers. So, aside from that, aside din sa aking kagandahan and ng aking body, well, I also have a very good public speaking skills, and I guess my background as a MC in different kinds of events in our school, and all the hosting jobs that I did before this search will be helpful in being a contestant in the Mix VJ search. So, and lastly, I also have the willingness to learn more and more skills that will help me as a person and probably as a host or MC in future opportunities that will come my way. So I believe that answered the question why is it to be the next Mix VJ. So I'll be hoping to hear from you guys. Call me.